Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen. I'm happy to have you here with me today. This month I have for you Nadine West, and I am so excited about this one. I used to receive them about a year ago when I was actually writing blog posts, and I still have my website, but I haven't actually written any posts in quite a while. Just like every other clothing subscription service, when you sign up, you fill out a clothing profile telling them what you love, your style, colors, patterns, your size, things like that. They also do jewelry as well, so you can fill out your jewelry preferences. You have a stylist who picks out your clothes that fit your profile. They send them to you, and just like most other clothing subscription services, you have a few days to try them out, see if they fit. If you like them, then you get to keep them. If you don't like them, there is a return label in here. You just slap it on the bag and send the items back. My favorite thing about Nadine West is that it is so affordable. Some of these other ones that I've tried are so outrageously expensive. Oh, I forgot. The cost of the bags. So they do, no, they don't have any styling fees. They charge you $9.78 a month, which is what they consider your shipping cost. And then if you decide to keep any items, that $9.78 is credited to your account and taken off from the items that you do purchase. Most of the clothes that you receive in here are between $10 to $30. Let's open this and find out what I got this month. Alright, then I have my return shipping label, and everything is packaged so neatly. Subscription boxes that love their tissue paper and their label stickers. I don't see a paper that lists the price of the items. It might be in here, I'm not sure. And looks like I have 3 different items. This first one on top, let's see. It's like a dusty rose color, just like a t-shirt material. And then it has a tie at the bottom. Does look a little bit large. I don't know if it's supposed to be like an oversized t-shirt type of thing, so we'll have to try that on and find out. So next we have this kind of maroon striped top, and it looks like it's a off-the-shoulder number. Cute. Could be a dress. Might be a dress or a long top. I'm not sure. I tend to shy away from short dresses, so knee length is my ideal length for a dress, knee length or longer. I don't usually wear anything shorter than knee length. And then, pants. Floral pants. I don't know how I feel about these. I generally don't wear patterned pants. They are cute though. I do like them, but I don't know how much my style they are. And they do have zippered pockets, unlike our Amazon pants. They have, let's see. Okay, so they have a normal pocket, and then they have a little zippered pocket as well. So, nope, never mind. Never mind. That zipper is not a pocket. So they have normal pockets, and then the zippered area goes straight into the pants. So the zipper is just a decoration. Okay, we are not done yet. They also sent some jewelry. So we have 3 different bags of jewelry. Here's a very simple, just gold necklace with 3 pearls on it. Very simple, very delicate and pretty. Next one is these dangly earrings. I love dangly earrings. These are so cute. And lastly, we have a bracelet that says love on it. Can you see that? Okay. I will try it on and show you how everything fits. So let's fast forward to that. Alright, here's the first outfit. It's so hard to get everything in the frame. I'll start with the pants. I really like the pattern on them. They're super cute. They're high rise. They come up pretty high on the waist. It's hot here in Texas, so I would not be wearing these kind of pants right now. But the legs are almost too tight on me. There's some stretch, but when the black is stretched apart, there's like a whitish silver tinge to them. And I don't know if that's how they're supposed to look, but in my opinion, they just look like they're too small for me. And this top goes great with these pants. The color scheme just looks really good together. So I'll talk about the top next. It is so comfy. It's like a giant oversized t-shirt. The sleeves fit nice. It lays really nice, doesn't exaggerate any lumps and bumps that you might want to hide, which sometimes t-shirts can do that. Like in the last video I had, that green dress I tried on, it really accentuated my stomach area. On the side here, the back and the front are very kind of asymmetrical. They don't line up. This is the last outfit they sent me. I had the shirt, the pants, and then this, which I think it's a dress. It falls a little bit above my knee, so to me it's too short. I am not comfortable wearing dresses that are above my knee. I know a lot of people that would wear this style. It's super comfortable, super cute. It is a little shapeless in the midsection here, but that's okay. I think if it was any tighter, it would cling too much to me, and then I would feel uncomfortable with it, even more than what I do. Here are the earrings. They're very light. They're not heavy or weighing down your ears, so you won't feel them. You know, like some earrings, after a couple hours, you're just like, oh, my ears are tired. Give me a break. But I don't think these will do that. They're very lightweight earrings. And then here's the necklace. Just very simple, and yet girly at the same time. Just very dainty, I think. I like it. And then here is the love bracelet. They match. I think they go really well together. All three pieces. The love bracelet, it fits snug. It could just be my wrist. I do tend to have larger wrists. So it's probably not something I would wear very often, but it is cute. So let's talk about this box. The shirt, I loved the shirt. And all the colors, like the color scheme, they're all beautiful. But the pants, and see here, like, it's nice, it's black, it's pretty, but then you stretch it and see that white in there. That's what they look like when I wear them. And if they look like this when I wore them, nice and black and solid, I would love it. But when they look like that, it just looks like they're a couple sizes too small. I love it. It's cute. I like the top section. It stays up well, or stays down well, I guess I would say. But I'm picky when it comes to clothes. I really am. I have the hardest time finding stuff that I absolutely love. And it's just too short for me to wear as a dress by itself. We are going to be continuing the hunt for our next subscription service next month in Will It Fit? Will they send me clothes that fit me? And is it my style? That's not what we're looking for. We're not looking for that. We're looking for, will it fit? I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like this video. And if you're new here, then click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the little bell notification, and leave a comment down below which is your favorite outfit. I would love to hear from you. Bye!